Hey there, it's me, Kathy, and today I had a loaf of take and bake bread from Misfits Market, and it inspired me to make a Panzanella salad because I also had a bunch of vegetables, some from my garden, some from Misfits Market. This guy I'm calling curlycuke, but we're going to use that, and we're going to use those. And we're going to make some amazing locally produced oil and vinegar. I got these at the farmer's market, and they actually go to Italy and get the stuff and then make it here in North Carolina. And Olive Oil Grove is the name of that company. And we're gonna make our dressing out of that. And here we go. Like I said, here we go. Follow along. First thing we have to do is bake our bread. And then we're going to toast it up because this is a par-baked loaf of bread. The package instructions say 425 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. So we're going to put this in the oven now, and while it's in the oven, we're going to prep our veggies. Okay, our bread's out of the oven, toasty on the outside, warmed through on the inside. And what we're going to do now is cut it into cubes, and we're going to brown it up in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Our bread cubes are ready. We have a little olive oil in a pan over medium heat, and we're going to toast them up. While our bread toasts, we're going to make our dressing. So we're going to put, and I am so interested, I tasted this and it was delicious, but we'll see how it works on a dressing. This is a champagne mimosa vinegar. And we like some garlic in our vinaigrette. Some salt. And pepper, and we're going to throw in a little bit of dried basil, dried oregano, about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to emulsify our dressing. And now we're going to whisk it up. I always slide a damp paper towel underneath the bowl when I'm going to make salad dressing, because you want to whisk this. And then you want to take your olive oil it's not the right bowl to do this in. All right. Oh, so good. Our dressing is ready. Apparently I was taping that the whole time. And we are nicely emulsified and ready to go. While the bread continues to toast, we're going to start building our salad in our bowl. First thing to go in is our tomatoes. You can use, regular beefsteak tomatoes cut up if you want. Just pardon my arm. But this is what I had on hand. And then our peppers that are roughly chunked. In goes curlycuke. I wish I had more, but I don't. And then I took a small red onion. I don't want you. Small red onion. In we go. And because most of our ingredients are red, what I did was I shaved some carrots, some organic multicolored carrots, and we're gonna throw those in too for a little color, a little crunch, a little excitement. Wait for our bread, and then we're going to season it up and dress it up and finish it up. You can see in the background that our bread is out of the oven. It's lightly toasted, and that's the way I like it, because the softer it is, the more it's going to absorb that dressing. And the dressing is good. We're going to stir up our ingredients, incorporate them very well. Looking beautiful. And now in goes our bread. That too. Yeah, to make a complete meal with this salad, you just add a piece of meat, or you can have a vegetarian meal. And there's our beautiful vegetable mixture. And I'm going to top that off with a chiffonade of fresh basil from my garden. It's been so hot here this summer that my garden is so sad, and my basil is sad too. But I was able to get some, and in it goes. And now comes our dressing. Make sure it's mixed up. I think we use all of it. And dressing up with the vegetables and the bread. And it's looking tasty and colorful and fresh and summery. And there's our panzanella salad, and now we're going to serve it. Before we serve it, I remembered that I had forgotten to put a pinch of salt and pepper in this. Doesn't need much because the dressing is very well seasoned, so that's good. Here's our lovely panzanella salad, ready for a nice luncheon or something, whatever you're doing, or just for you. And just because I like cheese, I'm going to finish this with some shaved parm. And I don't think Kelly likes that idea. Somebody must be walking by. Make it look pretty. Maybe we'll just go out to the edges with it so you can see all the beautiful vegetables. And now we're ready to eat our panzanella salad. Thank you for joining me on another hot day in Fayetteville, and this salad is going to be a nice, cool treat for me to have for lunch today. So we'll see you again soon, and again, thanks for joining me. Have a good day.